sweat that bitch. I'm sweating that bitch. Look at it. Oh my gosh. It's good size. Look at that black mouth there, dude.
When he gets close, I'm dropping this camera and I'm gonna have to.
Look at it. Look at it, Tony. See it?
Oh yeah. It's nice. Come over here, Joey.
Oh, she's got plenty of fight in her still. Go down.
Take your time. Take your time. Chrome hog beast.
Look at it.
Dude, that thing's gorgeous.